It's very sexy.
We are at Vetri Cucina in Philadelphia, and I am Marc Vetri. Cacio Pepe pizza. So when I was in Italy doing the research, for the book, this one restaurant called Sbanco. The chef there, he was actually sticking some ice, right on the dough. I was like, well, that's really odd, right? I never actually saw that. Never made it in this oven here. So we roll this out, but we roll it out a little smaller than we normally do, And then, you want to make a nice rim because you're going to have water on there and you don't want it to fall out all over the place, right? A little bit of ice. Put it right in the oven. I mean, this oven really, holds the heat nicely. Also, it's just like, it actually recovers really well. I mean, a lot of other ovens, when you open them up a lot, they sort of lose the heat, but you can make one after the other in this oven, which is really, really amazing. Look at the water on there. It's like thicker, right? It's like starchy water. So you want to put this all around. And see how it's like melting on there? Just like a sauce. You get your, this is great. I mean, the high heat is really helping the fermentation to happen faster. I mean, I love this stuff, That really, you can see. The underneath has a little bit of char. The outside has a little bit of char, but the inside is nice, fluffy, airy. I mean, listen, some people like it like this. Some people like it a little bit less. That's like whatever you want.